children, welcome back. In the previous class, we had discussed the textual questions in your textbook, page number 72. Today, we are going to learn the next topic, that is length of chords. In this figure, AB is a chord of the circle and OP is the perpendicular drawn to AB from the center of the circle. Drawing OA, we get a right triangle. Okay. In this right triangle OAP, by Pythagoras theorem, AP square is equal to OA square minus OP square. From this, we arrive at a conclusion that in a circle, the square of half a chord is the difference of the squares of the radius and the perpendicular from the center to the chord. Let's do an example. Find the length of a chord at a distance of 4 cm from the center of a circle of radius 5 cm. So this is a figure and AB is the chord and OP is the perpendicular drawn to AB, that is 4 cm, and OA, that is 5 cm. Here we want to find the length of AB. First of all, let's find the length of AP. For that, AP square is equal to AO square minus PO square. Here AO is 5 cm. So 5 square minus PO is 4 cm. So 4 square. 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4 square is 16, which is equal to 9. Then AP is equal to root of 9, that is equal to 3 cm. Then AB, that is the length of the chord, is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 cm. Therefore, length of the chord is equal to 6 cm. Okay children, now let's do the activity questions in your textbook, page number 73 and 74. First question, in a circle, a chord 1 cm away from the center is 6 cm long. What is the length of a chord 2 cm away from the center? In this figure, two chords are given, that is AB and CD, and length of one chord is given, that is 6 cm. We have to find the length of the other chord. For that, consider the first right triangle, that is triangle OAP. Here, we have to find the length of OA. So, OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. That is equal to, here, OP square is 1 cm, so 1 square, plus AP is 3 cm, so 3 square, which is equal to 1 plus 9, that is 10. And OA is equal to root of 10 cm. Then similarly, OC is equal to root 10 cm because it is a radii of the same circle. Then CQ square is equal to OC square minus OQ square. Here OC square is root 10 the whole square minus OQ square, that is 2 square, which is equal to root of 10 square is 10 minus 2 square is 4, which is equal to 6. Then CQ is equal to root 6. Then CD is equal to 2 root 6. Therefore, length of the chord 2 cm away from the center is equal to 2 root 6 cm. Next, second question. In a circle of radius 5 cm, two parallel chords of length 6 cm and 8 cm are drawn on either side of a diameter. What is the distance between them? If parallel chords of these lengths are drawn on the same side of a diameter, what would be the distance between them? In this question, we want to find the distance between the chords. Okay, first of all, let us consider the first right triangle, that is triangle OEA. Here, OE square is equal to OA square minus AE square, that is equal to. Here length of OA is 5, so 5 square minus AE is 3, so 3 square, which is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. Then OE is equal to root of 16 that is equal to 4 centimeter. Now let us consider the second right triangle, that is triangle OFC. Here we want to find the length of OF. So OF square is equal to OC square minus CF square. Okay, that is equal to OC is 5, so 5 square minus CF is 4 centimeter, so 4 square, which is equal to 25 minus 16, that is 9. So OF is equal to root of 9, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So the distance between the chords, that is OE plus OF, is equal to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7 centimeter. If the chords are on the same side of the diameter, then distance between them is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1 centimeter. Next, third question. The bottom side of the quadrilateral in the picture is a diameter of the circle and the top side is a chord parallel to it. Calculate the area of the quadrilateral. So in this question, we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. In this figure, AB is a diameter of the circle and PQ is the chord parallel to it. Okay, and O is the center of the circle and OR is the distance from the center to the chord PQ. Then diameter, that is AB, is equal to 5 centimeter, which is given in the question. Then radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then OR is equal to root of OQ square minus QR square. Here OQ is 2.5 centimeter. So OQ square is 2.5 square minus QR is 1.5 square, which is equal to 2.5 square is equal to 6.25. Then 1.5 the whole square is 2.25, which is equal to root 4, that is equal to 2 centimeter. So in this quadrilateral ABQP, okay, so this quadrilateral is ABQP. Here PQ and AB are parallel. Therefore, this quadrilateral is a trapezium. So, area of quadrilateral ABQP is equal to area of trapezium ABQP, which is equal to half of OR into AB plus PQ. Okay. That is equal to half. OR is 2 centimeter, so 2 into AB is 5 and PQ is 3, which is equal to half into 2 into 5 plus 3 is 8. Here these two get cancelled and the remaining is 8 square centimeter. So the area of the quadrilateral is 8 square centimeter. Like this, do the fourth question as an homework activity. That's all for today. Thank you.